Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 977 High Street in Victor.
This is an amazing and charming historic home on over half an acre.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This property is loaded with character and charm, featuring a living and dining area with a cozy wood stove with a brick surround and a tongue and groove pine ceiling. Open to the living room with more exposed brick, built-ins, and an adjacent bedroom or laundry, plus a full bathroom. The first floor also features a white and bright kitchen with a pine ceiling and newer stainless steel appliances. Open to the cathedral ceiling family room with a ceiling fan and deck access. The quality and character continue upstairs with two spacious bedrooms with those beautiful wood floors and a powder room.
Just off the family room is a relaxing deck with nature views. The town of Victor is a great place to live with excellent restaurants and shopping. With easy access to Rochester and Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 977 High Street in Victor.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!